What's going on? Sean here, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about test days.
Nerf this!
So let me first start off this video by saying thank you for watching, and if you are finding my channel for the first time, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications because I release new videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started, and you don't want to miss a thing. With that being said, let's get into it. So you might be asking yourself,
Sean, what is a test day?
a test day is something that was really coined by Andy Frisella, and I will link his social and his podcast in the comments below, but I really wanted to make this video for you because today was a test day for me. So a test day is one of those days, moments, weeks, months, X amount of period of time where you are truly tested, where your will is tested, where your why is tested. And what I mean by that is there's going to be days where you just don't feel like getting up off the couch to go work out, when you don't feel like making those phone calls, where you don't feel like responding to those emails, where you don't feel like going and knocking on those doors. There's going to be days where you start to rationalize your own failures. For example, dieting.
Oh, well, you know what? I ate good 6 out of 7 days this week, and I went to the gym 5 out of 7 days, so I can take a break. I deserve it.
And it's not a scheduled rest day or a scheduled cheat meal. You start to talk yourself into your failures and to rationalize why you shouldn't be doing the things that you're doing, so you're really taking one step forward, 2 steps back. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. So a test day is really just those days where you're just unmotivated, you don't want to chase after your goals, you want to do everything in your power not to do what you're supposed to be doing. And that is the trigger you need to become self-aware of. When you start to realize that you're in a test day, that should be the point of pivot for you. Again, something else Andy has definitely coined, not me. Now, when you have that self-awareness to recognize,
oh my god, this is a test. I don't want to be doing this. That is the trigger that I need to be going and doing this.
Successful people do what unsuccessful people are unwilling to do. I'll say that again. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are unwilling to do. Meaning, those days you really just don't want to get up out of bed and go to the gym, when you don't want to go eat that salad and you want to have that cheeseburger or whatever it is, those are the times that the successful separate themselves. And this doesn't just have to be related to health and fitness, this could be any area of your life. So the real gap that's created from good to great is doing it when it's not fun, when you're not motivated, when you don't really want to film this video at 7:30 at night because it's Monday and you have to put it up because your audience, you are waiting for this. Today was a tough day for me. The last thing today I wanted to do was film this video, and I started rationalizing why I shouldn't do it. I started saying to myself,
well, I've done over 160 videos on schedule. I mean, it's okay if I take a break. You know, I had a really long day at the office today. I had clients, calls, I was looking at properties all day today. I had a rough day. I knew I wasn't getting home till 7 o'clock at night. And now you have to film, edit, upload, and promote the video? It's okay, man. Take today off. Do it tomorrow.
That is the exact moment when I realized that it was a test day. I said, oh my God, this is a test. This is a test. This is where the good will fall off and stay mediocre, and the great will distance themselves from the good or the mediocre. And I'm doing this for a few reasons. One, I made a commitment not only to myself but to you guys that I was going to release 2 videos a week on Monday and on Friday. Now, with that being said, it is ultimately my responsibility that I did not get this done prior. I had other days where I could have scheduled to do this and I didn't do it. Other days when I felt more motivated, and at the end of the day, that's on me. So I made a commitment to myself and a commitment to you that I would put out these videos. So I'm going to keep doing that, and I'm not breaking this commitment today. 2 is for the exact reason I was just talking about. If I really want to be great at this, great at making YouTube videos, I have to stick to the schedule and I have to do the things that I know that I have to do to be successful, which is release this video when I say I'm going to release it. So that's all a test day is. It's doing things when it's the last thing on earth that you want to do. And not only just doing it when you don't want to do it, but having this self-awareness to realize that it's a test and that this is where you need to pivot and separate yourself from the herd. Alright, so I hope this video helps you. I hope you start to raise your self-awareness and realize when life is testing you so you can overcome those challenges, those obstacles, and stop rationalizing your own failure and stop rationalizing your mediocrity. So again, my name is Sean, and each and every video I try to make you the best version of you, so I hope you got something out of this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Signing off. Etc. Spiritual